starting from the basics, we all know that the environment is divided into two types: natural environment and man-made environment. More or less, we have some ideas about the man-made environment as we live in the man-made environment. But if we talk about the natural environment, I would say we don't have any idea about it. Actually, the natural environment is beyond our imagination. It's so much beautiful. We can find this beauty of the natural environment throughout the world, and those who can see those beauty of the natural environment, they are very lucky. But it is not possible for all of us to see all the natural environment at every corner of the world. To enjoy the natural beauty of those environment, we need to know about the information. So in this video I brought you about 10 spots in a certain country named Bangladesh, which is very beautiful and which are regarded as the 10 best tourist spots in Bangladesh. But the thing is, this is only my personal opinion. Your opinion may vary. Actually, all the opinions can vary from person to person, so no need to get hurt and no need to worry. You can also tell me your opinion. But before starting the list, it is very necessary to have some basic information about Bangladesh. Well, Bangladesh is a country in South Asia. It's a member of the SAARC, and its three side is surrounded by the India. One side has Bay of Bengal, it's a gulf, and the southeast side of Bangladesh there is Myanmar. She got independence in 1971, 16 December from Pakistan, and it is one of the largest deltas in the whole world. Well, its official name is the People's Republic of Bangladesh. The capital is Dhaka. It has 64 districts, not so big country, and its time zone is GMT plus 6 hours. The main language of this country is Bangla. English is the second language, and the literacy rate is 72.76%, which is not so bad. And finally, its area is 1,47,570 square kilometers, and its water territory is 12 nautical miles. Now let's begin our list, but a short reminder to subscribe the channel and also open the bell notification. Like this video if you like it, and finally let's begin. Number 10. The 60 Dome Mosque or the Shad Gambuj Mosque in Bangla. Well, this is a place of historical importance. Though this is a place which has a historical importance, but actually this place is very beautiful. I would recommend you to visit that place because this place is actually very beautiful, and of course the inside part of that mosque will certainly make you happy. Number 9. Cox's Bazar. Well, some people say that this is the most beautiful place in Bangladesh, but according to my opinion, this is number 9 because Cox's Bazar is the largest sea beach in the whole world. I agree, this may be beautiful, but actually not as beautiful as the others mentioned in this list. Well, Cox's Bazar is mainly the name of a district. It has the largest sea beach. Not only that, it has some beautiful mountains, fountains, and a lot of things which bring Cox's Bazar in the number 9. Number 9. Rangamati. Mainly it is also the name of the district, but the main attraction of Rangamati is this hanging bridge as you are seeing in the picture. This place is also very beautiful. This place is filled with a lot of mountains, lakes, and also different water bodies. Well, I recommend you to go to this hanging bridge and visit this place once. This is actually very beautiful, and this place will certainly please you. Number 7. Kuakata. Well, Kuakati is mainly a sea beach, but trust me, this sea beach is very beautiful. From here you can see both sunrise and sunset in the same place. Well, you can see the natural beauty of Kuakata in this picture, but picture doesn't clear every natural beauty, right? But imagine both sunrise and sunset from the same place. This is a very wonderful thing, and I'd personally recommend you to visit this sea beach. This is more beautiful than the largest sea beach, Cox's Bazar. Number 6. The Sylhet Tea Garden. Well, more or less you have heard about the tea gardens. This tea garden is situated in the Sylhet. The largest tea garden of Bangladesh, the Multichhora Tea Garden, is situated in the Sylhet, and actually this tea garden is very beautiful. Well, inside the tea garden it will look like that you are in a large hills. There are also a lot of animals there, but actually the ethnic groups cultivate teas. Not only ethnic groups, many normal people also work in that tea garden, and from there you can find a lot of varieties of teas from there. Not only teas, also coffees actually. But the main thing is that there are also different water bodies present. From that water bodies, different export imports of crops occurs from India to Bangladesh and from Bangladesh to India. You can also see many beautiful and large hills of India from these tea gardens also. Number 5. The Sundarbans. This is a mangrove forest, and this is not only the largest mangrove forest in Bangladesh but also the largest mangrove forest in the whole world. Well, this is the forest which is recognized by a World Heritage by the UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNESCO. The main attraction of this Sundarban is the Royal Bengal tiger. This tiger is very beautiful. Well, Sundarban is not only a place but it is also declared as a tourist spot in Bangladesh, and this is one of the most beautiful tourist spots in Bangladesh. That's why it came to the number 5. Number 4. Jaflong. Well, this place is actually very beautiful. Jaflong is not a district, but in this Jaflong you'll find a lot of tourist places which are very beautiful, and you can see them in the picture. The first picture is the Jaflong bridge, the second picture is the zero point, and the third picture shows the Plain River. Well, these three places are very beautiful, and the main picture, the bigger one, this is the Shangrampunji waterfalls. All of these places are very beautiful, but these are the only few places. There are also a lot of places which are way much beautiful than this. Number 3. The Saint Martins. Mainly Saint Martin is an island. It is the most beautiful coral island in Bangladesh. Here the water of the Bay of Bengal is pure blue. You will find a lot of corals here, and actually the sky and the mixture of the sea water seems very beautiful, and I will certainly recommend you to visit this place. But actually there are a lot of sea waves which are very big, and if you want to visit this island from Bangladesh you need to take a ship. From that ship you have to visit this island, but the waves might scare you a lot. Number 2. The Sajak Valley, and I bet you will definitely like this valley. This is way much beautiful than all the places mentioned in today's list. Well, if you go to this valley, make sure to click photos there, because as I said, this is much beautiful, and this is not the only view in the Sajak Valley. You will find so many mountains, and above the cloud it looks so beautiful with little houses and many ethnic groups. Number 1. The Bandarban. Well, as I said earlier, according to my opinion, Bandarban is the best tourist spot in Bangladesh. First of all, Bandarban is not a certain tourist spot, it's a name of a whole district. Well, in this Bandarban there are actually more than 10 tourist spots present, and all of them are very beautiful. Since all of them are very beautiful and many in number, they are actually Bandarban is the number 1 for me. Well, some of the tourist spots that I'll mention here are Shailapropat. Well, it's beautiful, you can go there. Then Kyukaradong, Meghna Porjoton Complex, Chimbuk Hills, Amia Khum, Buddha Dhatu Jodi, Shangu River, Nafakum, Nilachal, and then the most beautiful Nilgiri Mountains. Well, Nilgiri and Nilachal, both the mountains are beautiful, but I guess Nilgiri is slightly more beautiful than the Nilachal. Well, but at the end, this is only my personal opinion. Your opinion could be something else. You can also tell me what is your opinion. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, open the bell notification, share this video to others, and finally, thanks for watching.